Howdy folks, Francis here with the Texas Roadrunner channel. Recently Mike Chavez of Fishing and / Cooking with Mike Chavez did a hamburger cookout, smashed hamburgers, smashed them on the grill. Well, I would like to do the same thing but a little bit different. I'm going to use a hamburger press that I think I got at the Bass Pro Shop. Additionally, I'm going to do it two ways. I'm going to season one set of meat with old school, what I used to do back in my college days and a little bit after. And I used Worcestershire sauce and A1 sauce. Then in the other bowl, I plan on using those steak seasonings that you can find at the grocery store, Academy, and also the Bass Pro Shop. So hang in there. This is going to be a hamburger smash of a little different kind with two different types of seasonings that I prepared. So stick with me. So like I said, I picked up this burger press over at the Bass Pro Shop in Pearland, Texas. Probably used one of my gift cards. But I needed the, well, all the fixings, right? So I found some beef. And my veggies like tomatoes. And of course the red onion. Lettuce, got some buns, and I was totally out of condiments, so I had to, pick up some more mustard and mayonnaise. And ketchup. And this is my ingredient for one half of the burgers. I like to put in A1 in there. And we're going to have to pick out some pickles, last but not least. Well, unfortunately, when I got home, I checked out my grill and it wouldn't light up. I need a new tank of gas, basically. So I loaded the old tank up and wound up at, well, you know where. That's right, Academy. And I was able to exchange my tanks. Time to get home and start cooking. Well, it's time to prep the patties here. So in this first bowl, I mixed the beef with the A1 steak sauce and the Worcestershire sauce and salt. And then the other, I did the dry seasoning. This is usually used for steaks. I got this at Academy, and of course some salt and pepper. And I used eggs to bind the meat together. And of course this is my burger press from the Bass Pro Shop. I used some cellophane to help hold the... Okay, I'm going to make 8 patties altogether. These 4 are the A1 and Worcestershire, plus a little bit of salt and pepper. And this is the dry seasonings for, you can get for, that you put on your steaks and stuff like that. So now, it's time for the smasher. So I guess I'll just do this one first. Hopefully you can see this. Let me, now can you see it? Let's see if I can bend this down a little bit more. Sorry, that's as far as my camera goes, but here they are. And the next step, of course, is I'm not going to smash them on the grill like mainly Mike Chavez did, but I got my little other smasher here. And I kind of screwed up, but everything worked out. I should have put the saran wrap over the ball of meat, which I'll do later. Come on, let's get back in here. We'll smash them again. Okay, now you can tell I got got my patties here, and it has little circles, ridges here, so that heat can penetrate more evenly. And what I'm going to do from here is just throw them in the freezer and let them freeze. All right, on to the next set. Okay, everything's done that we need to do in the kitchen. So while the burgers are freezing, I'm going to go off and take care of other chores. And then either this afternoon or this evening, we'll pull them out and we'll put them on the grill. We have fries in the oven and patties on the grill. These patties here are seasoned with the A1 and Worcestershire sauce. And these patties here are seasoned with the it's getting dark again, with the steak rub, dry seasoning. All right, let's put the hood down and start cooking. We'll be checking back every now and then. Okay, the burgers are done and they're on the table. So are the fries, and so are the veggies and the condiments. Time to build our burger, and I'll let you know. Okay folks, the one on this side has been seasoned with the A1 and Worcestershire sauce, plus a little bit of salt and pepper. And this one has been seasoned with the steak dry seasonings, integrated or whatever, mixed up with the ground beef. And so obviously I'm not going to be able to eat both of them, but I'm going to cut them in half and I'll give you my opinion. Okay, as Mike Chavez always says, taste test, right? This first one is going to be the hamburger patties that have been seasoned with the A1 and Worcestershire sauce. That's good. Like I told you, this is what I used to do in the old school days, and it brings back memories. Let me gobble this down. I'll tell you how the other one came out. Okay, I've had a few fries, you know, to clear out my taste. Just like they do in wine tasting, you know, they give you those crackers before the next glass of wine. So, now it's time to try out the burger that has been seasoned with the steak dry seasonings. That's good too. Like I told you, I normally just sprinkle this stuff on the patty on the grill and do it again when I flip it over. But this way I don't have to do it, and it comes out remarkably tasting well. I mean, this is great stuff. Let me finish up my burgers and we'll do a recap. Well, hope you enjoyed this video. At least you got to see how I used to prepare hamburger patties a long time ago and how I wanted to do them now. I mean, like I told you earlier, I'm usually pretty lazy. I'll just buy the hamburger patties in the frozen food section, and then, you know, put them on the grill and sprinkle the steak seasonings on both sides, plus, you know, salt and pepper. And that usually turns out pretty good. But this time I wanted to see what it was like to incorporate everything inside the meat, and well, it turned out pretty good. So go ahead and give it a try next time you're in the burger mood. And so until next time, you guys be safe out there. and take care.
I'm Francis Kiefel, and I approved this video.